In this room, this thing it used to annoy me. This thing you're saying, it used to be very, very annoying. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're having a good day. I don't know. I do not feel fulfilled. Like, I don't feel motivated to do things these days. I don't know if it's because I'm not getting this, like, the results that I want. Like, I'm not motivated to do anything, like, as regards to YouTube. I'm putting so much effort and I'm not getting, I don't know. I just don't know. I'm not motivated. I'm overwhelmed with work. Motherhood is just dealing with me. Everything is just not working, you know. Things are not working. It's just like I'm in a circle. I'm just moving around in a circle, you know. I don't want this vlog to be a sorrowful vlog. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Okay. Just got this for Tovia. This is where we were putting our clothes before this place. So just had to get this one, no Jerry, for her. I want to clean it now. It's really dirty. It's really big for her. There's another one here. Oh, that's it. I want to put our toys and our shoes on top of it here. I already kept it. Satisfying you when I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you're innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehave. You must adore me. You make. Hey guys, good morning everyone. How was your night? This is 8 a.m. I just finished creating a reel for Instagram. And I'm going to show you guys my outfit. You guys go and check it out on Instagram. Maybe you might have seen it by now, but if you have not seen it, just go and check it out. My Instagram name is always here. Somewhere here or here. I usually keep it somewhere here or here. So if you're not following me, you can follow me on Instagram. It's a comedy something. I wore my husband's clothes and yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys later. So we are going to look for school for Tovia, out to
just to scatter around my environment. I don't want a place that is really far. I just want a place that is close by, that is trekkable. A place that is trekkable that I can easily trek down. So we don't have a car. Yeah. So I'm not going to bring you guys along. Mama, you want to spoil my shoe? What are you doing? I'm not wearing this one. That's not what I'm wearing, okay? Alright? Mama, look at me. Say hi.
Me, you make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Someday I'm better, making me lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. Wanna let you go, but it's something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight.
The shoe my sister gave to me. I don't know if you guys remember this shoe, but yeah. I was about this shoes for me a long time ago. I've not worn it. I just hope it doesn't get spoiled.
We tried too many times. You got me feeling cool. You got me feeling blue. Something but you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? It hurts like you had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried to
Canadian.
My hair turned out to start relaxing it. This is how it's looking right now. I'm going to style it tomorrow. Yeah, this is how my hair is looking.